Balik kaya natin yung 90s love, yung pag may problema hindi agad it cut. Hindi silang tapos wala na, hindi block pag may konting crack. Dati inayos, ngayon tinatakasan. Love noon, malalim ngayon pang caption lang. 90s love, I'll wait for you. Yun na yun, naka-queue ka lang. May QR code, may maybe, may application denied sa dulo ng chat. Noon susulat ka, ngayon swipe ka lang. Noon stay ka kahit mahirap, yun alis kapag inconvenient na. Bring back the 90s heart, yung hindi takot masaktan. Bring back the 90s heart, yung marunong maghintay. Hindi ghost, hindi block, hindi sorry, wrong timing. Just stay. Kahit hindi perfect, stay. Stay. Kahit hindi perfect, yeah. Stay. 147 ma'am, silang ulit. Mas consistent pa yung talangka kesa sa usapang walang patutunguhan. Talking stage pero walang direksyon. Arcade dates, bed and nights, holding hands, walang post. Na yung wanna vibe, wanna link, wanna disappear like a ghost. Kotse wala na, parang online card. At the heart, ay movie board na. 1 minute hindi ka na reply, biglang wete, goodbye. Akala mo limited edition, relax, hindi ka rare supply. Bring back the 90s heart, yung ihahatid ka pa uwi. Bring back the 90s heart, hindi tracking, hindi selos lang. Hindi ka produkto, walang terms to sign. Mahal kita buong buo, hindi half time. Dati slow dancing, ngayon slow fade. Dati I'll never break your heart, ngayon healing nera. 8 minutes after the break, tambay sa ulan noon, tambay sa IG ngayon. Black and white filter, caption people change kahit ikaw yung dahilan. Swipe left, swipe right po.